What's up, people? We are back with another rigged recap. December 17th, and you have textbook mean reversion. You watch this video, you're going to learn how to trade it the next time it happens. So first, what is mean reversion? All that means is you go down, you go up, you go back down. The blue line is the opening price for the day, and it essentially acts like a magnet. And that's what we expect when volume is low. The outline of a chart is red, and then we say out up here, strategy mean reversion. So that's exactly what you get. Doesn't break 603, goes up, comes back down to the blue line, doesn't break 603 again. You know, this is probably the best part, right? You go higher, you go above the blue, and then that last 3-minute candle takes you 1 cent below. 1 cent. That's algos crushing it, killing the hopes and dreams of retail traders everywhere. Not cool enough to use rigged AI. Now you got the same thing on QQQ practically. Same thing. Down, up, back at the blue, down, almost closing right there. But the thing is, IWM, the kingmaker, completely freaking different. Look at this. You get higher volume. Volume is at 122%. You get this nice spike. You can see it when it turns green. It means volume is going up, which basically means we expect a trend day. We expect really good tradable price action. And that's what this was. So check minus $1.90, bears BL to -2, trend possible. You didn't get a trend day. This is a bear grind. But the thing is, outside of these awesome KTRs, 43.75% last 30 days, 115, 2 hours, 111, hour and 40 minutes. Both of those fantastic. But even if you're not using rigged, like you could have hit this thing every single time you touched 232 and made money, bought puts, because you're looking to trade bears. You see this come in, you're like, hey, I want this thing right at the strike. Do it here, boom. Do it here, boom. Do it here, boom. Do it a third time, you won every single one of those trades. So just know, down move, you're looking to follow it lower, but you want to enter above the strike. You could have done that perfectly, and IWM does not like mean reversion. Trades completely differently. And you can see at the end, you get a little bit of a spike above 231, and then they close this thing 2 strikes down, right at 231. If we go into our daily stats page, which is something paid members can check out, you can see it here. We have IWM tagged. And if we scroll down, 1, 2, 3, this is like 40 or 50 results, I think. You have like 4 or 5 mean reversion sessions. Here, let's see this one. 12.4. Yeah, there you go. You get it, right? Because it basically closes right at the blue. That's mean reversion, but 12.4 is the last time it happened. It's something like 8% of the sessions, less than 10% of the sessions on IWM do you get mean reversion. We're going to bring that into the app soon to give you guys a little bit more insight, but all of that information is here under daily stats. So let's get back and just recap everything really quickly. SPY, bears BL to -2, trend possible. We let you know that because if you look here, we opened super high volume. So the average right here at 10:30 is probably close to 110, 120%. But what do you notice? Volume just goes down, right? You get this group and it's red. When it's red, check this. Strategy says mean reversion. It's exactly what happened. And even if you took a bear here at the blue line, this lotto eventually went 147%. KTR for it crushed it, right? 258. No drawdown, perfect. You get this mean reversion at the end, and this is kind of just something that takes a while to learn for you guys to figure out. If you're here long enough, you'll know it when you see it. Boom, got it, boom. 300%, 45% at the end, crazy. But that's to be expected. Just know that on a session like today, the robots are in total control. They're going to do whatever they want. And it's like Wall Street's not actively trading it. They closed this thing 1 cent lower than the price they opened it at. How many billions and trillions of dollars does it take to do that? Who knows? But just know, when the outline of this thing is red, it's going to be tough to trade. QQQ. Wish we got a tag in here. We actually traded the SPY bull here. It was awesome. But this was very similar, right? Bears of BL. I mean, this one worked. 42.86% in the last 30 days. 181. Almost straight down. A little choppy. IWM on a high volume, it just trades nicer. Let's switch to candlestick. Right? You tap it. It taps 232. And then they're like straight red candles. And with IWM getting this, what is this, like 70 cents? I mean, that's close to 100%. That's an awesome trade. Here, again, right? What time is this? 12:26. Like, the next candle is massive, and you don't get a green one until you already get 50 cents. Like, okay, take a little profit, stop the break even. Beautiful, bing, bang, boom. Overall, wish this would have kept going here at the end. Didn't happen. Textbook mean reversion on a low volume, algorithmic, blah, 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 robot session. Tomorrow's CPI, we'll see. CPI used to be awesome to trade. Lately, it's been kind of bad. So follow the system and win.